Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. First off, I'm not as congested as before, but I'm still coughing, so just bear with me here in the video. And I'm still a little sniffly too, so again, bear with me, I'm still feeling a cold. Anyway, this is the Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses far east central Texas, most of Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, most of Mississippi, and western Alabama. Cities in tomorrow's slight include New Orleans, Louisiana, Birmingham, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi, and Metairie, Louisiana. There's a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses eastern Texas, parts of Arkansas, far northwestern, far southwestern, and extreme southeastern tip of Louisiana, extreme southeastern and extreme northern Mississippi, parts of Alabama, a tiny bit of the northwestern part of the Florida Panhandle, northwestern Georgia, far southwestern North Carolina, most of Tennessee, much of Kentucky, far southern Indiana, far south central Illinois, and far southeastern Missouri. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Houston, Texas, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, and Atlanta, Georgia. Excuse me. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses much of Louisiana, much of Mississippi, and west central Alabama. The 5% tornado risk area tomorrow includes New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi, Metairie, Louisiana, and Lafayette, Louisiana. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses east central Texas, northwestern and southern Louisiana, parts of Arkansas, extreme southeastern and northern Mississippi, a tiny bit of extreme southeastern Missouri, southern Kentucky, most of Tennessee, far southwestern North Carolina, northwestern Georgia, parts of Alabama, and a tiny bit of the Florida Panhandle. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Houston, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Birmingham, Alabama, and Montgomery, Alabama. Now to the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering far east central Texas, most of Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, most of Mississippi, and western Alabama. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes New Orleans, Louisiana, Birmingham, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi, and Metairie, Louisiana. We have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, encompassing parts of eastern Texas, extreme southeastern, extreme southwestern, and extreme northwestern Louisiana, parts of Arkansas, far southeastern Missouri, far south central Illinois, far southern Indiana, much of Mississippi, most of Tennessee, a tiny bit of southwestern North Carolina, northwestern Georgia, parts of Alabama, a tiny bit of the Florida Panhandle, and far northern and far southeastern Mississippi. The 5% wind risk area tomorrow includes Houston, Texas, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, and Atlanta, Georgia. Now for the hail threat for tomorrow, there is a 5% chance, 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering east central Texas, southeastern Arkansas, all of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, southwest Alabama, and a tiny bit of the Florida Panhandle. The 5% hail risk tomorrow includes Houston, Texas, Austin, Texas, New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Shreveport, Louisiana. Okay, so in summary, severe thunderstorms are forecast on Friday from the central Gulf Coast into parts of the lower Mississippi, Tennessee, and Ohio valleys. So that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, in the marginal and the slight. Especially the slight, but even the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and you know what the heck they can pull off sometimes. But especially be safe in the slight, because again, you don't know what the heck a slight can pull off sometimes. So take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.